Okay, everybody, I have had it with the chipmunks digging in the grass. I got an absolute mess down in my lower driveway there. So I saw a trap that's supposed to be pretty effective. I'm going to set it up. I've got a 5-gallon bucket with about a little more than a third full of water. I have a 2x4 that I put a couple of screws in that you can see. You can see that easily. So I'm going to fix this like that so that these chipmunks have something to walk up. Nice and sturdy, okay? And then when they get to the top, they're going to see a whole bunch of sunflower seeds. And it's going to look solid to them, okay? It's going to look solid. And then I'm going to take a couple of these sunflower seeds. I'm going to put it up here. It probably won't stay, and they're not going to stay. But they should be able to smell these, okay? And get up there. So we're going to see if we're going to be able to trap any. And I got to get rid of them. And I'm sorry to do it, but it is what it is. So when they get up here and look in, they're going to see a solid bed of seeds and not realize there's any water under it. What do you think? Is it going to work or not work? Let's find out.